Okay guys, so welcome. In today's video I'm going to be giving you the answers of what are SEP quiz. Now first of all, before you can get to this quiz option, you are going to see the interface where they ask you to watch the video. Make sure you tap on that watch video, and after you are done, just spend at least a minute based on the duration of the video, and then you come back to start quiz. Now I provide you the detailed answer of what SEC-IO quiz. Make sure guys you subscribe and drop me a thank you in the comment section. So now this is the question: to win 10,000 SEP power, which is going to help you increase your SEP token. They say, what is the price slippage, the hidden challenge in crypto trading? Now the first question is this: what is the main topic of the video? Price slippage in cryptocurrency. Then the next one: what can traders do in the SEC-IO app to avoid slippage? Set limits to their orders. Then the last one: how does the narrator describe the market when discussing slippage? He describes as this, like a game of this. So that's it. We'll tap on check, and you see we got it correctly, and then we'll claim our SEP token once it's loaded. Now you see it. Thanks, we got it correctly. Now we'll tap on what? Claim. Then guys, make sure you like, you comment and subscribe. Drop me a thank you in the comment section guys, and make sure what you check my playlist so that you can learn more on how to earn from SEC-IO token, and watch the video that is displayed on my screen now to watch how to earn from SEC-IO token and other interface. If you are not farming SEC-IO token, check the description box. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe.